turang sakai lo matalebu, turang sana tui maduat, toki belatangan ni andamnaka, wasabulu, turang na tui lambas, ngawera, nawa wasabos, tiki-tiki wali bitan. Members of the LTA board, management, and all guests who are here today, including government officials, all stakeholders, our residents of Honolulu. It's my distinct pleasure to be here in Honolulu. It's always great to step on they say the second main island, but I'm saying it is the main island. There are two main islands, Vitilevu and Honolulu, so we cannot say second. Any government which comes in must continue the development. It is not about politics. Leadership is not about having power and exercising power, but basically it is to continuity of development, which is what we have been voted for. And that's very, very critical in any political leadership. As you can see, most of the focus as we come in, I know that there are a lot of issues, but we came in and take the baton of development. Whether it's roads, water, or whatever, it's the responsibility of any government of the day to continue the development so that our people benefit. At the end of the day, it is what the government or whatever boards we appoint, how does it filter down to the people? And that's very, very critical. And today is one of those developments which will benefit our people. So as far as possible, the focus of government is to decentralize. Kenapa kami timba kami nabi batora kita kami metete ani kita nabi nanda leni kono nanda bikor tonda kono bikor lele. And one of the ideas I've always emphasized is the regional centers of development. So here we have Labasa, Tuisawau, but we need to create more of that in Nambowalu and other ports of entry areas such as Tabuni. So once you expand that infrastructure, the other related infrastructure developments and economic development, which will encourage the people to move into other areas of development such as agriculture, setting up their businesses, etc. This project has been years in the making since the original office was burned down in January 2014. So that's really, we are really happy that now it's moving forward, especially for the people in Honolulu. The tender was advertised in 2024, and after comprehensive evaluation process, we are pleased to announce Pacific Building Solutions and Design Heart as the lead consultant and project manager. So it's about 7.2 million. So that's quite a substantial investment to support the growth and improve service delivery for LTA in the north. And construction is scheduled to commence on 3rd June and completion for 21st August 2026. So once completed, the LTA Labasa office will serve as a regional hub, as I was mentioning, employ 40 staff, full suite of services, including a way bridge. Just some data, LTA currently processes an average of 18,228 transactions per month for the entire northern, and 5,456 taking place here in Vatunibale. So the new facility will provide improved capacity to meet the current demand and future growth. At the moment, there are approximately 16,968 vehicles registered in the north. So that figure represents a 10.8% of the total number registered in Fiji. So it represents a pressing need for a more robust, responsive and fully resourced facility, which we thank you to the team for bringing it to this stage. And we look forward to continued cooperation in that regard. With those words, I and by also thanking the presence of all our wabnachuna numduchura naturani banua. Nananda tu dagadawa chugo satu bagaro nama tentu na kiana rongo di chuna bingangan reso wamimbi na bingangan re kutamai na vivator da te ko tara ni na lebih tidak ini bulan ini banua.